Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So to do this, firstly go to the upper bar, enable Bluetooth. As you can see, it immediately proposes you to connect to the Galaxy Buds Live. So let's just tap connect, and after that it installs some drivers, software. And that's how you can connect to them. Then you have to allow all of this stuff. Okay, let's link. Got it. And all set. And as you can see, they are connected. So here you can disconnect from them or just unpair from them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.